Rain or shine, here I am. This is the only other house in Fort Walton Beach that you can stick a VA loan on. And yes, it is in an excellent location, minutes to the beach. Love the street and the yard. The yard's actually really nice. So I have it from the owner that the neighbors are cool. In fact, he's moving in with one of the neighbors once it sells. So they've lined up all of the showings back to back to back. So we're gonna kind of try and go around the people. This room is a lot larger than I had originally thought. So the lump pump does work. Shed's relatively new. It has electricity and water. Ooh. Well, it was unlocked. I saw the inside. It's in great shape in there. There's even the termite baits put down.
Keep that in mind.
Alright.
But,
So it's tile.
yeah, it is. It is. All right.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Well, have a good day.
Yeah. Y'all have a good one too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know. I noticed it's raining. Okay, gosh. Craziness. I was trying to find the roof information.
I got it off the MLS.
You got it what?
I already did my background research. I have it.
So you have it?
I do.
Oh, you're on top of things, aren't you?
There's a reason I'm the best.
You know who you remind me of? My daughter-in-law. She's out in California. I swear you were a splitting attitude and everything. Which that's a good thing. Really, the VA thing, man. I'm gonna have.
It's okay. You got
Let me
this.
ask you something.
You got this.
How?
Give me one more second.
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
videoing. I promise. I'll come chat with you.
Question since you're
Yeah.
you're kind of a lender.
Kind of. I am a lender.
No, I don't want to say. But
I got you, dude. I got you.
well, at least everybody gets here at one time.
perfect for kiddo or an office. Now the carpets will have to be removed in the bedrooms. All the ceilings are flat. My favorite room, I saved it, is the master. Massive. You can definitely put a king size bed and a couch. There is a couch and a king size bed and lots of furniture in here. And look how much room there is. There's a ton of room. Very well done. And then